Hi everyone, Josh May from Riccar Vacuums. Congratulations and thank you for purchasing your Riccar Cordless Stick Vacuum, the R65. We're going to show you some of the optional items that are sold separately that you may want to have for your specific cleaning needs. So this tool right here, very popular. This is our Pet Upholstery Power Tool. So this is actually electrically powered by the unit. It is flexible here. So if you want to be able to get up and down maybe stairs or corners or edges or on your car seats and you need to have that flexibility, this moves. It is powered electronically. So when we hook it up to the main unit, it actually is electric, which is going to give you excellent cleaning of those hard to remove fibers and debris from your carpeted surfaces. The next tool we're going to talk about is our ultimate bare floor nozzle. I have a house with a ton of tile, so this is what I mainly use on my unit. This is great. This particular unit has a lot more space here, so when you're dealing with larger objects on hard floors, it'll pick it up really well. Also, this is a microfiber pad, so it kind of dusts as you're going over the floors. And you'll notice when you're using it on bare floors, it doesn't get a lot of the hair and threads wrapped around it because of the circumference of the brush roll. So this tool is very nice to have to complement your system because it's great specifically for bare floors. The one that comes with it is good on bare floors, and it also works on carpets and all kinds of surfaces, but this is a specific bare floor nozzle. It also has LED lights on it that'll light up when you're getting into those dark spaces. So this is a great accessory to have to complement your system. One other accessory you may want to consider is the dual charging base and second battery. This base actually replaces the original base on the stand. You get a second battery, which would mount right here. The other battery would be in the unit, and it can charge both at the same time. What it will do is it'll charge up the first and then relay to the second. That way you double your runtime. So if 40 minutes wasn't enough, you can have up to 80. And some people like that peace of mind where you just have more runtime available. If you do want that peace of mind and you want that extra runtime, if you have a large home or extreme cleaning needs, you can get this as an optional accessory to complement your system.